You were so little. He was very small when I had him. He was about a chidiya, the bird size, and I raised him very little. I feed him with the spoon milk and sometimes with the cotton ball. And he was very small, like this big. And he loves me. He loves me like I'm his mom, and he's my son. You're my son. Are you my son? You have blue eyes. I like your blue eyes, Kitten. His name is Kitten. His Punjabi name is Karandeep Singh. And Kitten. Oh, I love you too, baby. You're so cute. Ah. Do you love mommy? Do you love me? I love you too. They're such innocent animal. They need love, they need family, they need protection. And I try to give them love and care and attention. I found him in my backyard, in my garden. How many years ago? 10? Yeah? You're 10 years old? Oh my god, you're big. You're so big. What? Oh. आओ poke नहीं करो. Don't poke me here. Okay, I'm gonna rest for a little bit. What you want? You wanna rest? What? Oh my god, you want to rest on me? You like a little baby, huh? He loves me so much. Such an innocent animal. Oh my god. God made them, and we should mercy on them. We should give them love, care, and attention. That's what they all need. They give us happiness too. Oh, what you want, huh? Kitten? You're my baby, huh? Oh, देखो. Love. The animal sometimes better than the human. I feel emotional. They're such a beautiful creature of the God. And he probably doesn't know. ये शायद नहीं जानता मैं इंसान हूँ और ये जानवर है. Either he thinks he is the insan also, he is the human, or maybe he thinks I am the cat. Very hard to identify our relationship, huh, Kitten? What do you think I am? A kitty? Mommy kitty? Mama cat, huh? Mummy cat हूँ मैं? And you're my baby cat? Or maybe you're the human child, who needs parents. Oh, I love you, baby. Huh? Are what you want? My children love him too, but he loves me the most. He loves me the most. Okay, now let's say bye to the people. Let's say bye to our audience, okay? Patch. I wish if I can make more videos. And he's purring right now. That sounds like he's so much in relax in mommy's godi, mom's lap. Kitten, look up here in the camera.